Guys, hi, Johanna Huber here from PhysioYoga Cork. That's a quick and short sequence for you with physio exercises to help you ease neck or shoulder tension, especially for those that are sitting a lot or work on a computer or on a desk all day. So first thing to start with is getting the neck muscles, the shoulder muscles moving to help them release the tension. I'll show you from the side. Look up as you inhale and look down as you exhale. Deep breath in, look up. Only look up as high as it feels okay for the neck. And you're exhaling, you're looking down again. So if you bring the chin down towards the chest a bit more, you might feel a bit more stretch in the back of the neck. And looking up might just help you stretching the front a bit more. Do this as often as it feels nice, as it feels comfortable. And then bring the head back to center. For the sides of the stretch, it's quite nice to bring the ear down towards the shoulder, but keep the opposite shoulder down. So the minute your shoulder starts lifting, you're losing that stretch, so keep the shoulder down. And then bring the ear a bit more down towards the shoulder, just to intensify that stretch in the side. Take a breath or two, and then change sides. The left ear moves down towards the left shoulder. Give the right shoulder, make sure it stays down. Give the right shoulder a bit of a stretch here. And you go as deep as it feels okay. Don't push into pain, but it can feel like a light stretch or like a deep stretch. That's totally up to you. Main thing, you start using and moving your muscles here. Inhale to come back to center. Make a little bit of a double chin. So your head usually is more in a forward position during the day, and this is what's getting the neck muscles really tight. So let's do exactly the opposite. Move the chin back, so you're making a big chubby chin here. Keep the chin tucked, and then look over your right shoulder. Again, make sure that your left shoulder is not following you. Keep the left shoulder back. And every time you exhale, you're trying to twist the head a tiny bit further. So exhale, try to look a bit more over your right shoulder. Left shoulder stays where it is. Another exhalation to deepen that stretch, so that left neck starts to stretch. The right side probably starts to work, which is exactly what we want. Inhale, come back to center. Tuck the chin in again. We're going to take the twist to the other side. Exhale and twist. Inhale, stay where you are. Keep the shoulder back. Exhale, twist a tiny bit further. And you can add a few more exhalations. And every time you exhale, you're just trying to twist a tiny bit further. Inhale to come back. And then just roll the shoulders back. So that's quite a classic. The neck muscles, the shoulder muscles usually get tight because you don't move them enough. And some shoulder circles, they're quick, they're easy. You can throw them in any time if you don't get a chance doing anything else. One really great thing you can do for the shoulders is to lift them and to really squeeze the top of the shoulder muscles to keep the shoulders lifted as high as you can, and then push them down. So you're trying to create as much space between ears and shoulders as you can. Inhale again to lift, squeeze the top of the shoulders. Exhale to push them down. Again, just repeat a couple of times. Sometimes even 2-3 repetitions is enough just to start feeling a bit of a release of the tension or the pain, because your muscles start getting very tense if you stop moving them, and the longer you wait, the harder it's going to be to release them. Last one, I'll show you from the side again. Using your shoulder blade muscles. So you're pinching the shoulder blades as you inhale, and you're pushing the shoulder blades away from each other as you exhale. Inhale, pinch the shoulder blades. Imagine there's a €100 note in between the shoulder blades, which is quite a motivation to keep the shoulder blades pinching. And then exhale, you're moving the shoulder blades as far away from each other as you can. So this might be a bit stiff, this might feel a little bit difficult, but it's a motion that the shoulder barely does during the day. And this is exactly why it's going to be really hard. If you don't move a joint or a muscle during the day, it's going to be even more tight and more painful. And the minute usually you start moving, muscles start to relax and to stretch out again. Add in a few more shoulder rolls, shoulder circles, and then see how you get on, how this helps you with pain, with discomfort in the neck to shoulder area. Hope this helps. Bye, guys.